Rich Fields is in for Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins tonight. And Rich, how much longer are we going to have these cold nights and mornings?
Well, certainly overnight tonight is probably going to be in the 40s, mid 40s or so. Nature Coast, maybe upper 30s, but we're out of the frost and freeze warnings, and there's nothing issued for us in the Tampa Bay area at this time. So we're going to keep an eye on that through the early evening hours tonight, and the 11 o'clock I'll give you another update. Clearwater Beach, let's go out there. Sunset, boy, that went away quick. Did you see how fast that sun went down? That's just crazy. I think the video just caught up with itself. 54 degrees right now. Humidity's at 54%. Dew point at 37% right now. And we're going to see the dew point start to rise over the course of the next couple of days as some weather starts to move into the area. We expect rain by New Year's Eve, unfortunately. Clear skies overnight tonight. No frost or freeze warnings for us in the Tampa Bay area right now. Sunshine and 70 degrees for tomorrow's daytime high. Let's take a look at the next 12-hour planner here on the board. Here she goes. She's flying in now, and you can see we're going to bottom out overnight tonight, 45, 47 degrees. That's out at the airport, obviously much cooler up in the Nature Coast. Let's go over to the weather board. Let's check in with the National Weather Service and see where we topped out today. There it is, officially. 68 degrees. Tomorrow more like 70. Remember, our normal for this time of the year is 72. Set a record in 1990 at 85 degrees. So there's some forecast overnight low temperatures tonight. You can see along the coast a little bit warmer. The water is always a little warming mechanism for us. You get a little further inland, mid 40s or so up toward the Nature Coast. Brooksville 39 tonight. Dade City 39 tonight. Crystal River out of the freezing levels at 37 tonight. Any kind of frost advisories or freeze warnings that have been posted by the National Weather Service are far to our north. We're talking about places like Levy, Merriam, Putnam counties, but out of our service area, that's for sure. Satellite and radar, a little bit of cloud cover exiting out of the area. Last couple of loops on that particular product. There's the front. The rain and inclement weather is now out over the Bahamas. And Futurecast, as we put it into motion, you can see how clear we are. That thing is running. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, absolutely clear skies through the rest of the day. There's rush hour. Late Wednesday into Thursday, we'll see a little easterly push of some moisture. This is not what's going to bring us rain Friday and then New Year's Eve. That will all stay on the East Coast for the most part. But let's take a look at atmospheric moisture, what you see in the reddish colors on your screen. This is all dry air. The green is moisture, so I'll put it into motion. Into Wednesday, we're still dry. Thursday, still dry. Look at the push up from the south and east, though. We're starting to get a little moisture. Friday, about a 10% chance of rain. Back into motion. Saturday, about a 30% chance of rain. And Sunday, we still have about 20% chance of rain or so. And it looks like it's going to be the county south of the Tampa area. So expected rainfall, there you go. 10% Friday, 30 on Saturday, and about a 20% chance of rain lingering on Sunday morning. There's your weekend. 78 on Saturday, 77 on Sunday with that shower chance coming our way. And as far as the marine forecast is concerned, northeasterly winds are going to stay with us right until about Friday or so. That's when we're going to get the wind shift change. Northeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 feet or less, bay and inland waters at a moderate chop. The Gulf is a chilly 55 degrees. And there's your 7-day. 70 tomorrow for the daytime high, 77 on Thursday. Next best chance of rain comes our way Saturday. Josh, Courtney?